Dear students, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is arithmetic progression. Look at the figure on the screen. This figure reminds me of my childhood age. We were used to take playing cards and make big pyramids using these cards. That time we were not aware of the fact that it forms a particular pattern, and we will have to study about it in future in class 10th. Students, do you find any pattern here? Yes, see the baseline. Here at the baseline you will find that 8 cards are used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now in the upper layer there are 6 cards are used. Here in the upper one 4 cards are used, and here in the upper one 2 cards are used. So if you see from the top side, the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is 2, 4, 6 and 8. And if you observe the difference between these two, it's 2. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 2. It means the difference in each successive number is 2. And so it forms a pattern of 2, 4, 6 and 8. And this type of pattern is called as arithmetic progression. If you go from the bottom side, you will see that it is decreasing 8, 6, 4, 2. So there is a decrease of -2 and -2. And this common difference is denoted by D, and it is called as common difference. This term is called as the first term, and it is denoted by A. And this term is called as the last term, and it is denoted by Tn. Friends, see, here is the another figure. Here at the bottom there are 5 triangles, then 4 triangles, then 3 triangles, then 2 triangles and 1 triangle. So here there is a difference of 1, 1, 1 and 1 in each successive number, and therefore the common difference is D, and that is 1 in this case. In the previous case it was 2. Here the common difference is 1, and we get this Pascal's triangle. Now go to the next figure. See this chart. Here the first bar is of 1 centimeter. Second bar is of 3 centimeter. Third bar is of 5 centimeter. Fourth bar is of 7 centimeter. And the next bar is 9 centimeter. So if you observe, you will see that there is a difference of 2 in each successive number, and so it has formed one particular pattern, and so it is called as a arithmetic progression, because the common difference between each successive number is 2. This 1 will be called as first number, 9 will be called as the last number, and 2 will be called as the common denominator. Here see another figure. It is a semicircle of 1 centimeter. Now draw a semicircle of 2 centimeters. Now draw a semicircle of 3 centimeter, and draw a semicircle of 4 centimeter, and so on, and you will get this spiral type of pattern. Here the diameter is increasing by 1 centimeter to give such a beautiful pattern. So friends, in this chapter we will have to see the following topics. The first, we will see the definition of the arithmetic progression, and that definition of the arithmetic progression is that it is a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. A fixed number is added to each preceding term. We have seen 2 is added to each preceding. So here, first topic that we will learn, that will be the conceptual problems. How to solve the conceptual problem. Second term, that will be how to find the nth term of an AP. Then third step will be sum of first n terms of AP. Then the fourth step will be finding n terms of an AP in terms of Sn, where Sn is sum of the numbers in a particular pattern. And the last step will be applications of arithmetic progression. So here friends, you have to walk with me 5 steps only to complete the arithmetic progression, so that you will be able to crack arithmetic progression problems. Now here we will start with the first step, that is conceptual problems. Before going to the conceptual problems, we will see the notations that are used in arithmetic progressions. The first notation is that first term is denoted by A, then common difference, that is denoted by D, then nth term is denoted by Tn, sometimes it is also denoted by An also. Then the next is the number of terms is denoted by n, and the last term, that is sum of first n terms, is denoted by Sn. So first term is A, common difference is D, nth term is Tn, number of terms is denoted by n, and the sum of first n terms is denoted by Sn. Here is the first question on the screen from conceptual problems, that if the number n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 1 are in AP, find the value of n. It is given that n minus 1, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 1 are in AP. When it is said that the numbers are in AP, it means the common difference in each successive number is same. So the second term and first term, so second term minus first term and third term minus second term, the difference should be same. Then only it will be a arithmetic progression. So if this is the first term T1, it is the second term T2, and it is the third term T3, and since this is arithmetic progression, then T2 minus T1, that should be equal to T3 minus T2. This will be by definition. Now T2 minus T1 will be what? 4n minus 1 minus first term, that is n minus 1, which is equal to T3, that is 5n plus 1, 5n plus 1 minus the second term is 4n minus 1. Now we will open these brackets and then solve. So it will be 4n minus 1. When you will open this bracket, the signs will get changed because of minus sign outside the bracket. So it will be minus n, minus and minus will be plus 1, which is equal to 5n plus 1. This will be minus 4n, and minus will be plus 1. Now here 4n minus n, that will be 3n. This one and this one will get cancelled, and which is equal to 5n plus, this will be 5n minus 4n, that will be n plus 1 plus 1, 2. Now take n to the other side, and it will be 3n minus n is equal to 2. So 2n is equal to 2, and therefore n is equal to 1. Therefore, the required value of n, that is equal to 1. Now the next question is, write the first 4 terms of the AP when the first term is A and the common difference is D. So the first question is here, and it is A is equal to 10 and it is given that D is equal to 10. A and D are given to us as 10 and 10, and we have to write the first 4 terms of the AP. As we know that the general formula for AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. So here A is a first term and it is given as 10, so it will be 10. Then common difference is 10 and A is 10, so it will be 10 plus 10. Then here A is 10 plus 2 multiplied by D is also 10. Then A plus here 3 into 10, here A is 10, and so on. So here this will be 10, 20, then 10 plus 10 to the 20, so this sum will be 30, and this sum will be 10 3 are 30 and 10 40, and so on. But we have been asked to write the first 4 terms, and therefore the required 4 terms is equal to 10, 20, 30 and 40. So here you see that the difference is 10 and the first term is also 10. Now see the second question. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to 3. So our general formula is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. We have to find only 4 terms. So A is the first term, that is 4, so it will be 4 plus A plus D, 4 plus D is 3, so 4 plus 3, A plus 2 into 3 and A plus 3 into 3. So it will be 4, then this will be 7, 3 2 are 6, A is 4, 3 2 are 6 and 4 is 10. Here again A is 4, 3 3 are 9, 9 plus 4, that is 13. So if you see this, the difference is what? 3. 4 and 3 7, 7 and 3 10, and 10 and 3 13. So common difference is 3 and the first term is 4. So the required AP will be equal to 4, 7, 10 and 13. Now here the next question is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So the first question is that 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Here this AP is given and we have to write the first term and the common difference. The first term is 3, so the first term is equal to 3. Now we have to find the common difference, that is D. It is given by T2 minus T1, second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term minus third term. So T2 minus T1, T2 is 1 minus first term is 3, so it is equal to minus 2. So the first term is equal to 3 and common difference, that is equal to minus 2. Now the second is 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. This is the arithmetic progression. And we have to find the first term and the common difference. To write the first term is very easy. So first term is 3. This is the first term. And now we have to find the common difference, that is d is equal to second term minus first term. So t2 minus t1, that is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here 3 is a common denominator. So numerator will be 5 minus 1. So which is equal to 4 by 3. So a, that is the first term, is 1 by 3 and common difference is 4 by 3. So this is the first term and this is the common difference. Take the third one. It is 0 0.6, 0 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, then 3.9 and so on. It is given that it is an AP. So here we have to write the first term. So first term is 0 0.6. Now we have to find the difference. Common difference means T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1. So which is equal to 1.7 minus 0 0.6, and 1.7 minus 0 0.6 is 1.1. So the common difference is 1.1 and first term is 0 0.6. So A is equal to 0 0.6 and the common difference D is equal to 1.1. Now the next question, which of the followings are APs? If they form AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Now here is the first question, that 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on, and we have to find whether it is AP or not. We know that the common difference between each successive number is common or is same, then we call it as a arithmetic progression. So here first T2 minus T1, that will be equal to 4 minus 2, so that is equal to 2. Here the difference is of 2. Then the third minus second, so T3 minus T2, which is equal to 8 minus 4, so which is equal to 4. So this difference is 4. If you go here again, T4 minus T3, so which is equal to 16 minus 8, the difference is 8. Here every time the difference is varying. First it was 2, in second it was 4, and in third it is 8. So in third it is 8. Since this common difference is not same, it is not an AP. Therefore given sequence is not an AP. So it is not an AP. Second question is 2, 5 by 2, then 3, 7 by 2, dash dash. We have to find whether it is AP or not. And if it is AP, then we have to find common difference and then we have to write the 3 more terms. So first we will check whether it is an AP or not. So first we will take the difference between second term and the first term, which is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. So here the LCM will be 2. Here we will multiply by 2. So it will be 5 minus 2 2s are 4, and which is equal to 1 by 2. So the difference between the first two terms is 1 by 2. Now we will take the second one, that is T3 minus T2, which is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. This is the T3, this is T2. So here again the LCM will be 2. Here we will multiply by 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now take the next one, T4 minus T3. This one. So that will be equal to 7 by 2 minus 3. So LCM will be 2. Here we will multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6. So 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. And therefore here everywhere the difference is 1 by 2. And since the difference is same, it is an AP. Now we will have to find the common difference. So common difference we have already got, that is 1 by 2. Now we have to write the next three terms. So here the first one is 2, then it is 5 by 2, then it is 3, then it is 7 by 2. Now next 3 we have to write. So we will just go on adding 1 upon 2 to the previous one. So here in this case it will be 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that will be 8 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So next term will be 4. Then here we will add again 1 upon 2 to this term. So it will be 4 plus 1 upon 2. So here 4 2s are 8. 2 will be the LCM. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, and so it is 9 by 2. So this term will be 9 by 2. Now here in the next term we will add 1 by 2 here again. So 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 is a common factor, so 9 plus 1 will be 10. 2 5s are 10, and so next term is 5. So the next three terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Here students, we have seen few problems depending on conceptual knowledge. This will be helpful to you when your teacher will conduct formative assessment test, MCQ questions, or he may engage you in a quiz competition, and in such quiz competitions the problems on conceptual problems may be asked. So please revise this again and again and try to acquire the mastery over it. Today I think it is a time to take a stop, and in the next session we will go for the next step and the next topic. Thank you very much.